If you want to change the theme on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna proceed to the Themes option over here. And once you open Galaxy Themes, you should have themes selected at the bottom of the screen. Now over here, you can try to find the theme that you wish to use on your phone, and you will notice that many of them are actually not for free. But if we switch to top over here, then on the left side we can switch from all to free, and we can see free content. And once you find the theme that you wish to use, so let's say I want to use this one over here, I should be able to just simply download the theme over here, and we can apply it straight away. There you go. So now we need to wait a couple of seconds. And there we go, the theme has been applied. As you can see, app icons look slightly different. The control center also looks different. And probably some other stuff as well. There we go, the phone app also looks definitely different. Definitely looks different. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.